Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix charging port moisture detected error on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, so first let's power off our device, click power button and volume up button and select power off. Now let's wait a few seconds until the device is completely turned off. And now we need to gently remove the lint of our charging port right in here. You can use a toothpick, for example, or you can use your nail. It will also works, as you can see. Now we can clean our USB-C port using the compressed air to the dry port. Also, if you want, you can try cleaning it with a needle, for example, but remember that you should do it really carefully so you won't damage the port. I strongly recommend using the compressed air for that. And simply wait until everything is completely dry before you plug in your phone. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.